Hello guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Now before I proceed into today's business, don't forget that your subscription is what keeps us going, okay? We need to pay bills. We can't do that without your help, alright? Now, click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get every single video from the Love Surgeon as it's released. Now, for today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 questions that helps you connect with a lady instantly and at the same time helps you to flirt with her instantly. Now, flirting with a lady is different from being naughty, okay? Now, this is something very few guys are good at. Yeah, very few guys are good at it, alright? Now, these 5 questions helps you to connect with her emotionally. And don't forget, connecting with her emotionally simply means you stimulating attraction. And attraction is emotional. It's not logical. No, it's not. That is why when you see a very pretty lady, someone you feel is of your league, okay, like, no, I can never be her type. Like, I can't be her type. Do you understand? If you go on with further studies, you realize and discover that the person she's actually dating or going out with is below your league. But that's possible, of course, because that other guy is able to do what? To stimulate attraction, which is emotional. It's not logical for someone below your league to be going out with a lady you think is above your league. So it's not possible. Like, do you understand? It's not logical. Yes, it's not logical, but it's possible and it's happening right in front of you because the other guy was able to stimulate attraction. And don't forget, attraction is emotional, it is not logical. Back to the business of the day. These questions helps you to do it, to connect with her emotionally, thereby stimulating attraction. Now, what are these questions? Straight to the first question. The first question that helps you to connect with a lady is what you trying to get to know her person. Yes, the only way she can open up to you, the only way she can connect with you is when she wants you to know about her. Now, the first question is this. You ask her, tell me what I could never ever have guessed about you. It seems like, oh, maybe like it's just on the surface, but that particular question helps you to get to know one of her deepest secrets. Now, for a lady to tell you her secret, she's already opening up to you. She's opening up to you. And of course, the heart of a lady is like a deep ocean filled with secret. If she doesn't let you in, you can't get in. And there's no way you're gonna know. So the only way you're gonna know is to be able to do what? To connect with her emotionally by asking these questions. Asking her to tell you what you would never have guessed about her. That way, she will tell you her secrets. And telling you her secrets, of course, at that point in time, you do a lot of listening. When you listen, alright, when you listen, don't forget to always give reassurance. Don't forget to always give reassurance, okay? Now, the second question is what? What is the worst date you've ever gone on? The worst date experience. She begins to tell you what she has done, what happened on that particular day, everything that transpired. And from there, you do what? You pick what she doesn't like, the reasons why she considered it the worst date ever. Now, after giving you that particular answer, the next question you are supposed to ask, or that helps you to connect with her, once again, or that continues to help you to go deep into her, is what? What's your craziest date idea? Like, you want to go on a crazy date, or on a crazy date. What do you imagine? What do you envisage? She gives you this information, and this particular information helps to prepare your mind on what she wants. Right? Now, the first question is that you ever be in love? Yeah, this will always stimulate emotional thoughts. Now, these emotional thoughts begins to remind her what happened and everything that transpired from the very first day to the middle of the relationship, if there was any, and what actually was crushed the emotional euphoria. So, you asking these questions helps to tell you what she actually wants, the possible mistakes she made in that relationship, or that the guy made in that particular relationship that made it not to work. That way, you will be able to do what? To help place yourself on a safer side while navigating your way through, into, and around our hearts. Now, the last question, which helps you to connect with her and flirt instantly, is what is the perfect atmosphere for a kiss? Yes, we all have a whole lot of imaginations in our head. Of course, we can't bring it out. The other person is not in your head, they might not know. Alright? But discussion, communication helps. Now, you can get to know this by asking these questions. Now, if you ever want to kiss her, you can try to create that atmosphere just to put her in the mood, or to make her never to forget that particular kiss. And of course, something she's always wanted, it's something she's always dreamed of, it's something she's always imagined. You do it on a later date, and that way, all these questions put together will help you to connect with ladies and also help you to flirt with them instantly. Don't forget, this is the love surgeon saying, when it comes to matters of the heart, we all react differently regardless of the general principles. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can get the next video. See you in the next video. I want to see you there.